Hello everyone, this is Angela Robinson. I am here to record the successful execution of my final project in my C++ Programming 1 class at University of Advancing Technology. In this project, we were to show the inheritance from one parent class to three child classes. And what I have done here is a small prototype that could be expanded into a game or even just an inventory program. But this is for a garden app. So I made the namespace plants. I have the parent class plant, and then I have that has common attributes, and then I have the three child classes: tree, flower, and fern. Of course, you could go a little bit further on each one of those, especially flowers. There's so many flowers out there, and trees as well. Um, but and then I chose to have a separate header file and from the CPP file declaration of the uh, plants. And then because I used several classes within a namespace in my actual program, I not only included my header file here, I actually used the namespace plants so that I could access all four of my classes. And you go through here, I've set up a base inventory, 3 trees, 3 flowers, 3 ferns, and a generic plant class or object named grass. So let me go ahead and start this. I've already built it into a release executable. So I will go ahead and start that here. And so let's look at a little bit here. I did set up these basic inventories to use defaults. I used a default -1 for my integers and float variables. Um, and then within the actual classes, setting up these variables, if the integer is greater than 0, then we would use whatever was passed in. But if it's less than 0, we would do print out to the user, it needs at least, for this one leaf count, and doing a random number from 1 to 1,000. So, but with the grass, I know that it's pretty much only one leaf. I chose 3 inches here. And I passed in integer numbers for the enumerators that I created. In the header file, you'll see that I have 2 enums, a leaf type, which is a flat type or a needle type of leaf, and then the colors that I chose, because I didn't see that C++ had a color class already made. Gotten so used to C# having that, but so I just made a small enum of normal colors that I've seen when plants. Of course, these enums allow for easy expandability, and so that's a little bit about the code there. So let's look at this output here. So as you'll see, it went through creating the random numbers, the random attributes as I created all the default inventories. And then down here I made this for visual effects so that you can see you're showing the user what's in your inventory, which is the 10 plants that I randomly created. And I named, a dogwood tree, apple tree, walnut tree, a rose flower, a carnation flower, a lily, eagle fern, royal fern, and silver fern, and then just green grass. And then I've got the menu of take a look at our inventory above. What would you like to do today? And you would buy one of these. So this is from like the garden store. If I were to buy a dogwood tree, you would see that taking a dogwood tree out of the inventory, leaving total plants of 9. So then I would do buy an apple tree, and it takes away the inventory here. So, and then once I'm done, let's buy a fern there too. So, once I'm done with that, I can hit 11 for exit. It was nice gardening with you today. Come back another time. So, and you can press any key to exit the program. All right, and that is the program there. So I look forward to hearing any feedback on this, and thank you for watching.